Hey, what's up you guys, Vac Attack here, and today we're going to be doing downstairs living room vacuuming with this Hoover Elite Rewind that I recently got. And believe it or not, I actually got this for free. This is a curb find. So when I first got it, it was just dirty and but it didn't really have any issues with it. Now I did get another vacuum along with this, but that one is currently in repairs. So obviously I can't do a video on it right now, but I will when I get the chance. But for now, I have this, so this is an Elite Rewind, if you couldn't tell already. I don't know if I said that or not. This is a 2006 model, I believe, so it's an earlier model with the higher pitched motor. God, that crevice tool is long. Yeah, there's the model sticker. And then I believe, yep. So this has almost all the attachments except for the upholstery tool, but that's okay. But yeah. Well, I'm not gonna go too much into this because this is not a review. This is more just a vacuuming. But yeah, like I said, I got this for free. It hasn't really had any issues except for the brush roller rattles just a little bit. But that's probably an easy fix, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, I think that's the cord length. Do wish the cord on this was a little bit longer, but it could be worse. Because I think the cord is 24 feet. So, yeah. All right. And of course I did put an LED bulb in here because, you know, I love my LED bulbs. But yeah, let's get started. This way, actually. Oh, there's a switch. Yeah, like I mentioned before, that cord is not very long. It just unplugged itself. But I already covered this area. So we'll cover the other area of the room. But yeah, I love this machine, like, especially considering that I found this on the curb for free. Well, technically it was listed on Marketplace, but it was just sitting on the curb for free. So I picked it up along with I know I said I picked it up with another vacuum. Y'all are probably wondering, what vacuum is it? It's a Clean View Power Track, but the motor on it is shot, so I have to get it all repaired and everything. But yeah, and don't mind this. My dad recently got Animal 3, so yeah. I may do a video on this too soon, but for now, let's finish the vacuuming with this. Now we'll do the rest of the living room and we'll be good. I don't know about good, but it definitely works. At least somewhat okay. Yeah. So yeah, overall, really love this thing. Like I said, the only thing that I could really complain about it is the short cord, but other than that, it's a great machine. It does have a cord rewind, obviously, so we're gonna go ahead and activate it. Sorry for the grippers. As you can see, this has a much stronger cord rewind than my 1797 does. So that's nice. And as you can tell, as you can hear, this thing cleans pretty good. So yeah, it's definitely a great cleaner. In fact, let's see. Yeah. This is one of the good Hoovers. I believe this one was before TTI. So this is not a TTI Hoover. I don't think it is, at least. Someone let me know in the comments, because I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Anyways, that's the natural vacuuming with the Hoover Elite Rewind. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.